Hi viewers, thank you everyone for watching my videos on YouTube. And still now, if anyone not subscribed our channel, please subscribe now. Okay, if you subscribe and click on the bell symbol, then you can get new updates. Okay, it is very useful to everyone. That is why you subscribe, and also click on the bell symbol. And I'm going to our topic, today's topic, and today's topic is Vedic mathematics multiplication tricks. Multiplication trick. What is the multiplication trick? Actually, here I'm going to explain the multiplication of a number, of any number, by 5. Okay. So you see here one example I written here. This one, 8,46,024 into 5. How we can do this multiplication in current method? In current method, 8,46,024 into 5. Like this we have to write. And next, 5 4 ja 20, carry 2. 5 2 ja 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. Next, 5 5 0 0 plus 1, 1. 5 6 ja 30, 5 6 ja 30, carry 3. 5 4 ja 20 plus 3, 23, carry 2, and 5 8 ja 40 plus 2, 42. So this is the answer. Okay, like this. In this process, we have to do in current modern method. Of course, it can take 1 minute, more than 1 minute also. But there is a easy method by using Vedic mathematics trick. That is, use here this 5 we can write as this 5 we can write as by using addition, 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 1, like this we can write. By using subtraction, 6 minus 1, 7 minus 2 or 9 minus 4, like this we can write in many ways. By using multiplication, we can write 5 as 1 into 5 or 5 into 1 only. Only in these two ways. But by using division, we can write 10 divided by 2. Of course, the first one is 5 divided by 1, and 10 divided by 2, 15 divided by 3, 20 divided by 4. Like this one, we can write infinitively number of forms. But here, I said 5 we can write by using division, 5 divided by 1 or 10 divided by 2 or 15 divided by 3, or like this one. In many ways we can write. I am taking this one now. It is very simple and easily we can do. I is equal to 10 by 2. So this one we can write as 10 by 2. That means 8,46,024 we can write as like this. Into this 5 only I changed 10 by 2. Okay, first we multiplying by 10 this number, then we can get here one more 0 in ones place. Multiplying by 10, easily we can multiply. If you multiply any number by 10, we can get one more 0. That means we should add 1 0 after the number, then we can get the answer. That is simple, very easy. That means after multiplying by 10, 8 4 6 0 2 4 0 by 2. By 2 we can get this. By 2, right as it is. By 2 means this number, if you half of this number, if you find the half of this number, we can get the answer. How we can get half? We can start from left side only to get the half of this number. 8. What is the half of 8? 4. What is the half of 4? 2. What is the half of 6? 3. What is the half of 0? This is only 0. Half also 0. What is the half of 2? 1. What is the half of 4? 2. What is the half of 0? 0 only. So this is the answer. After multiplying, we can get this answer. Okay, the same answer. Okay, so after practicing some problems, we can write the answer in one step only one step. Okay, let us take one more example. One more example I am taking. 6240248 into 5. Okay, the answer how we can write. Actually, we can have in our mind that is 5, we can write as 10 by 2 and multiply this number by 10 and half of the number is the answer. Okay, by that process already I said that. Okay, so directly we can write what is the half of 6, 3, what is the half of 2, 1, what is the half of 4, 2, what is the half of 0, 0, and what is the half of 2, 1, what is the half of 4, 2, what is the half of 8, it is 4, what is the half of 6, it is 3. Okay, and also after multiplying 10 we can get 0 and half of 0 also 0, so this is the answer. Okay, and let us take one more example. You see here in first example, in second example, all digits are even numbers, then we can find easily half. If one or more digits are even, that means odd numbers, then how we can do, I will explain in this. Suppose one number is 2 7 2 7 4 3 2 4 6 8 into 5. Okay, now what is the answer of it? Okay, as usual here 0 and half of this number total. So half of 2 1, half of 7 3.5 actually, but 3.5 we don't write. If we divide 7 by 2 we can get 2 as the quotient, then that 3 we should write. 3 is the quotient. If we divide 7 by 2 or half of 7, 3.5, you don't write 0.5, and then the remainder is 1. The remainder is 1, and the remainder goes to this side. That means right side. That means 1 4. It is 14. What is the half of 14? 7. What is the half of 3? That means it is half of 32 also. We can take 2 digits at a time. Now, okay, if this number is a small number, we can find easily half of this. Okay, how we can find half of 32? That is 16. Right, 80 time. And half of 4, 2. Half of 6, half of 6, 3. Half of 8, 4. And one more 0. That is it. It is the answer. Okay, here first example, second example, third example, all are even numbers. Of course, in third example, this is even number only because of it ends with 8, so it is even number. Okay, but in this some digits are odd digits are there. But if you take odd number, how we can find one number? I'm taking 4 8 0 2 5 2 8 7 into 5. Okay, now half of 4 2, half of 8 4, half of 0 0, half of 2 1, 5 2 52. What is the half of 52? 50 half of 25 and more to there 26, and next half of 8 4, half of 7. Okay, actually 7 after 1 0 also there. Okay, then what is the half of 70? Actually this is 70. What is the half of 70? This is 35. That is it. This is the answer. It is very useful to calculate calculate faster than the calculator, and it is very useful in the competitive examination to reduce the time to do the solution. In time we can do the solution. It is very useful method. Okay, thank you everyone. In the next video I will explain about one more important and very useful topic. So you watch the video also. Watch that video also. Thank you.